You know what? Let me go to Car Tyre Repair Shop. Alright, I'm in. But, first of all, I'm going to spawn the car. And you know what I'm going to do on the motor? And finally, let's boot up the car. 3, 2, 1. Harder! The store is covered in red smoke.
FEGVR, is this true that you made the car tire repair shop covered in red smoke?
I think I did.
FEGVR, I cannot believe that you made the car tire repair shop covered in red smoke with burnouts. You know, you cannot be doing that. Since I heard the news, FEGVR, you're going to be in serious trouble. So go to your room now.
Ugh.